Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Iris and today we're gonna be doing a spring closet clean out. So the weather has been getting a lot better lately and I just get that urge to just clean everything out. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So yesterday my mother was cleaning out the attic and she actually found a bag of clothes, like summer clothes that were all mine, and I didn't even remember that I put them up there. I just thought they were just living somewhere in the back of my closet, you know. But yeah, no, I totally forgot about them. So just a heads up, I've got a lot of clothes, I know that, and I'm really grateful for them. It's just like the only thing I really spend my money on, besides food. Clothing and fashion in general is just more of a hobby to me, rather than things that I can cover my body with. It's just a really fun way to express myself. I can confidently say that all of the things in here bring me a lot of joy, and today we're only going to be getting rid of the clothes that just don't give me that joy anymore. Once back in the day they absolutely did, but you just change over time, your personal style and your body and that's totally fine because now I can actually give it to somebody else and they can give it a second life. So let's just not make this intro any longer and let's just get into the clothing. Okay, so let's take a look at this closet. First up, we've got this part over here, and these are just all my blouses, jackets, and dresses. Then we've got some sweaters up there, and then everything in here is all the folded stuff. So sweaters, tops, some shirts. This is really messy, but I already took some stuff out. And some jeans, trousers, pajamas and that kind of stuff. So I already got a pile over here. Yeah, I'm just gonna dig through my closet and everything that I'm not sure about I'm gonna place over here. And then we're just gonna see if we're gonna keep it, try it on, donate it, whatever. And yeah, let's just see how that goes. So this is kind of crazy. I knew that I wanted to go through like some stuff, but I didn't know it would be this much of my closet. It's just a lot of stuff that I haven't worn in a long time, or just like totally isn't my style anymore. And yeah, I think we just have to go through it and let's see what's gonna be left of it. So we've got this whole pile over here, and I think the first thing that I'm gonna do is just go through it and just see what I still want to try on, and just stuff that I just know that doesn't fit me anymore and that I can just throw away. Let's do it! It's such a bummer that I have to get rid of the skirt, but it's got this huge stain on the back, and in general it's just really short. I just don't feel that comfortable anymore with these short skirts. I don't think I ever felt comfortable in them, but then I was just like, oh okay, I'll just wear them, you know, it's cute. I'm not about that life anymore, so this one will definitely be going. Okay, so this stuff is really cute. I just never really felt it or something. I just don't really like that really low neckline, and the really light color doesn't do a lot for me. So I think I will be parting with this one. So 2 more skirts over here. As you can see, they are also very short. It's just not really my vibe anymore. I haven't worn this one in like years. I used to wear it when I went out, you know, but I don't really do that anymore. Yeah, it will be going. And this one, I just don't really find it that cute anymore. It's just this really color, and I'm never really sure how to style it, and it's kind of short, so I think we're just gonna be donating it. Okay, this one is really weird for me. It's this bodysuit with this really low neckline. I don't know, this one is kind of embarrassing. I would never wear this anymore, like never, unless I would put something underneath. I wore this once, like when I went out, you know, but as I said, I don't really do that anymore. Let's just see if it would look cute with a t-shirt underneath. So then we've got the shorts. This is actually part of a set. Well, I don't know, when I ordered it on an app, I thought it would look really cute, like, oh, a matching set, you know, but it's just too much. And when I wear this alone, I don't know, it just looks really weird. So I'm gonna be giving that one away as well. Okay, so this one I still wanna try on. Just like this one. We're gonna be trying on a lot of stuff. Okay, I don't know why I kept this dress for so long. I think I was just like, oh, okay, it's cute, it still fits me, but I just never take it out of the closet. So I think it's time to just let it. Now we've got these jeans. They're actually really good jeans, but at the time I bought them because they were in sale. They were already so tight on me. I gained a little bit of weight, and I don't think I will be able to fit in these anymore. So they will be going. Okay, so first item. It's this blouse. I do think it's cute, but I just don't see myself wearing it. I haven't worn it a lot, and I probably will not be starting to wear it now, so I'm just gonna part with it. Okay, I am definitely gonna keep this one. I love it. Okay, so the thing with this one is that I really like this sweater, but when I tried it on in the store, I thought these sleeves were pink, and then my sister said to me like, okay, no, it's actually red. So now I'm really not sure what kind of color this is. I don't really know how to style it, and well, it's going on a maybe pile for now. Okay, so I kind of just found out that I could also tie this one up like this. and now like all my problems with this jacket are just solved, because I thought when I wore it like this it was just so open and just not warm at all for in winter, so that's why I never grabbed it. But now I know that I can also close it like this. I think it's way cuter and it will actually keep me warm, so that's a good thing. So we will be keeping this one. Okay, so I think that this looks actually quite cute now. Yeah, I would wear it like this. So yeah, now that I found a good way to style it, I'll just keep this bodysuit. I mean, I like it. It fits great, but this is just like a prime example of something that I would just like never wear anymore, because it simply is just not my style. So yeah, this one will be going. No, this ain't, no. It's gotta go, it's gotta go. Okay, this one is cute, but it's just like way too short. I mean, this is where my butt ends, and well, that's a skirt. So, yeah, this one will be going. Okay, so these jeans are lovely, they fit great, but I don't know, there's just nothing special about them, you know? And I only grab these when I need a pair of jeans that can get dirty, but I don't want to hold on to them if I only keep them for that. So I will donate these. Okay, so these shorts are kind of cute. Actually, these longer style of shorts are coming back in, so I might keep them, but yeah, I'm not sure about it. They will be going on the maybe pile. Okay, so this is the mess that is my room right now. So all of the clothes are gone, just some hangers left. Then I've got this maybe pile, and over here the donate and for the most part keep pal. So I still have some stuff to go through, but I will be updating you shortly. So see you later. So, as you can probably tell, it is the next day. Yesterday I finished up with editing all my clothing. I went through my maybe pile again and just tried everything on. Just really take a good look at it. Decided on some of the items to just keep them for another round. See if I would wear them more. They will get the chop next time if I really don't wear them as much. But yeah, I actually got rid of a decent amount of clothing. So just a heads up, it's not like all of these huge closet clean outs that you see all over the internet. I try to avoid those things by doing these little clean outs throughout the year. In that way I try to prevent myself from hoarding all these clothes and to give them to people who will need or enjoy them way more than I do. So without further ado, here's the clip of me showing you everything that I will be getting rid of. Okay, so here's the final edit that I made. As you can see, we got a few piles. This first pile is full of clothing that I will be giving away to friends and family. and these over here I will be donating. And I decided to just take a quick look to my shoes as well. I didn't really film it because I was just like, oh, okay, let's just take a look. It didn't take that long, and I found these shoes that I just never really wear, but I just hold on to them because they were kind of cute. But you know, if I don't wear them, I should just be giving them away. Okay, let's take a look at the closet. It's getting a little bit darker right now, but I hope you'll be able to see everything. So right here we've got still all the hanging stuff. That didn't change one bit. I mean, there's still a lot in here, but I did take some stuff out, and now I don't have like 3 or 4 pieces on one hanger, and yeah, I can live with that. That's quite nice. Then the sweaters, that didn't change much. These are just winter sweaters, and just some bed sheets and some other stuff. And yeah, a little overview. Alright, and then we go to the folded side, which looks like this. Yes. So we go right back to the top, and here we got some knitted sweaters, and then we got the hoodies. I did change something over here. I used to only have like long sleeves, but now I put some bottoms, because I used to put all my bottoms and skirts and whatever behind these jeans, but as you can probably tell, like, you can't see anything behind it. Like, now you can, but normally you really can't. So now I can easily grab these pieces and they will not be forgotten. Then I decided to just make more piles over here, because I used to have one pile, but you know, that would just fall over all the time, and now I can actually see everything. So that's nice. Then we've got some mesh tops and winter kind of structured tops, and just some tank tops. Yeah, and as I showed you, the jeans and all the shorts in the back, and then just some trousers, pajamas, and workout clothes. And yeah, I really try to make it neat for you guys, and of course a little bit for myself. But yeah, this probably won't last, but I'll enjoy it for the next few days. And yeah, that completes everything in my closet. Okay, so now you saw everything that I will be getting rid of, either by donating or giving them to friends and family. I'm so glad that I cleaned out my closet. It took a little bit of work, but it's just nice to know that I only have clothes in my closet that I will actually enjoy. And yeah, I just feel so refreshed, and I can't wait for the new season. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and leave a comment and tell me about an item you have a hard time getting rid of. And while down there, just make sure to subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!